Hey guys, it is December 1st, which means the first video of this year's Christmas series. And I just took a random lock, and that is gonna be a guard. It's a 40mm padlock. Yeah, I really need some new light in here. 5 pins. Alright, let's get the camera down here. So we can adjust it. And as always, I forget to adjust this one first. Alright. There we go. Maybe a little back. See what I can do with the light. Probably not much. Okay. And I think I have said the same most of the previous years, but an open is an open. It doesn't matter if it's SPP or if it's raking or whatever, but of course we are trying SPP as well. And we try that first, I think. Just need to find some of my hooks here. Where is that last one? Something keeps popping up on my screen. Okay. Let's try. Turn it a little bit here. Try with this one. It almost feels like I am just one pin away of getting it open. There we go. That was pin 4. I was missing. I think I overset it, and that's why I loosened up a little bit, and then I felt it in the back. So there we go. Oh, I forgot. Anyway, it's open. Let's try some raking, rocking, and sipping, and see if it does anything. I have to move the light a little bit out of the way, but that's not really that important anymore. That's not the one. Where's my other? There it is. Worm rake, sea rake, half diamond. Alright, try to sip it. Yeah, one pin said that's not gonna do anything. Four pins. Alright. Yep, there we go. So rocking it with the city rig, that worked. Now, just to make sure that it was also that. Yeah, it was not shielded. I did not think it would be unshielded, but yeah, so that's the first lock of 2022's Christmas series. Let's put it on the tree. I have to move back a little. And let's go. I'm probably gonna move them around a little later, but for now, it's gonna stay right there. So far, so good. Alright, back to the table. So, that was the end of the first picking of the Christmas series. 2 opens, not bad. And we keep going tomorrow with another video. I really hope you enjoyed this first video in the series for this year. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.